Everybody, welcome back to the Race 5 Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are making some awesome tailgate chicken wings on the Weber Kettle. Let's go! Tailgate season is here for football. There's nothing to me that says football than chicken wings on the Weber Kettle, and we're gonna make them. It's so easy and everybody loves them, and you could do them with different sauces and everything. I did these with Frank's Red Hot Buffalo. All I did, first step, is I marinated these overnight in some Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce, let it sit in the fridge. This is another great, easy, super easy recipe, great for tailgating, so you're not having to do a bunch of prep work and everything while you're at the park. This is what we're looking at right now. That beautiful color. These are gonna go right on the grill. We're using Jealous Devil lump charcoal, and we have it set up for indirect cooking. We're gonna have the charcoal on one side of the grill, and we're gonna have the wings on the other side of the grill, and we're just gonna let these cook. And we're gonna baste them every 20-30 minutes, flip them, flip, baste until they're done. My typical range of being done is around somewhere in that 190 to 200 degree range. That way you know they're just gonna fall apart and be awesome. So let's get these on the grill. The grill is rocking and rolling. Let's get these wings on. Like I said in the beginning, we have our hot section over here where the coals are, and I have it set up to burn from this side across. This is gonna be the cooler side, so that's where we're gonna place our wings. These wings are loaded up. We're gonna hit with a quick baste on some of these just to get some more sauce on there. As this is cooking, this sauce is really gonna cook into these wings and taste great. We're gonna close this up, close this to about halfway, and we're gonna let it roll. It's gonna be about another 20 minutes or so, and I'm gonna go check on and make sure that those ones that are closer to the fire need to get rotated around. So we are gonna rotate and flip these a few times until they're done. But again, we're shooting for maybe an hour, hour and a half total cook time here. And when they're done, they're gonna be fall apart, tender, and delicious. We'll be back when it's time to flip and sauce. We're about 20 minutes in. Let's check these. I'm pretty sure they're ready to flip. Let's go look. These are coming along nicely. You can see this great color from that sauce we've already basted it in and marinated it in overnight. Just gonna flip these guys over. Flip. Now we're gonna hit them again with another layer of this sauce. And this sauce is great, and it adds that flavor that we all know with buffalo wings. But what really sets these off is what we're gonna do at the end here. Okay, close it back up. And we're gonna do this a few more times now. It's only been about 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes for the first turn. They're coming along great. I think it's gonna be another 2 turns, so right around that hour mark is when they're gonna be done. We'll be back after a couple more flips and with our final finishing touch that really puts these over the edge. Stick around, we'll be right back. These chicken wings are getting close to being done, so it's time for our last little pop. I love hitting it with some Tony C's Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning. That gives you that little extra pop at the end, along with all that Frank's Red Hot you've been basting and saucing with. Let's hit this. Just gonna give a light dusting over all of them. Just get that dust all over. And that's gonna cook in nice. And that's it. We're just gonna let these wings finish coming up to temperature. Again, we're looking for somewhere in that 180, 190, almost 200 range even, to make sure that they're super tender and fall apart and super tasty. So let's close this up and we'll be back when it's time to taste them. The wings are done and looking great. All we gotta do is try them out. Now you can tell that they are done because they just pull right apart like nothing. So good. Grilled wings on the Weber Kettle, Frank's wing sauce with a little bit of Tony C's Creole seasoning at the end. Amazing. Got a little kick. You got that twang from the vinegary Frank's. It's fantastic, and for any tailgate, it's going to be a home run. Takes about an hour 20 to get done. Perfect time. You prep them overnight just by marinating them in the fridge. And that's it. So if you like what we did here, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and we'll talk to you soon.